New fidget spinner number 1. New fidget spinner number 2. And I got these because of the one I used to have broke. See this part? This plastic circle? Well, half of this broke off my old one. Epic fail. But anyway. Come on, balance. I'm trying to make YouTube money. Let me try to get the other one. Where is it? Oh. Oh. Sorry about that really disturbing laugh. It's pretty bad. And if I get roasted for this video, I admit I actually deserve it. Bye-bye, everyone. Sorry if I scarred you for life. Do-do-do-do-do-do.